Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100 on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your speaker. And at the first line we have the name. So tap at the line, and right here you can write the best one for you. You can also remove some text, but I want to only add this one. The most important is to click done at the right bottom to save this new name. If you have iOS 26, you will have checkmark button or done button, so tap at this button. And then, if we go back, you can see that we changed the name. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!